welcome back to Auto Drive Show, where we drive the stories behind the wheels. Today we're looking at something bold, nostalgic, and totally unexpected, the all-new 2026 Citroën 2CV. Yes, the legendary people's car is back, and it's got more charm than ever. Visually, Citroën has nailed the balance between retro and modern. You instantly recognize that signature hunchback shape. The round LED headlights, the minimal curves, and the exposed fenders all scream classic 2CV, but the clean lines, flush panels, and updated grille show it's very much a car of today. The steel wheels with custom hubcaps and optional color-matching fender flares bring a playful edge. It's not trying to be aggressive. It's designed to be loved. Open the door and you'll find a stripped-down but surprisingly stylish cabin. The seats are slim, wrapped in recycled fabric with bold color accents that match the exterior. The dashboard is bare but smart. A single floating digital display gives you speed, battery range, and basic info. No giant screens here, just clean, simple driving. The materials are eco-friendly and everything feels intentional. The folding canvas roof is back too, so on warm days, you can roll it back and cruise open top just like the old days. Underneath, this 2CV is fully electric. It's powered by a compact 28 kWh battery and a single motor delivering around 45 horsepower. Doesn't sound like much? True, but the whole car weighs just under 900 kilograms, so it's light and nippy in the city. It can hit a top speed of around 105 kilometers per hour, and the range sits at about 170 kilometers. Ideal for daily commutes or weekend drives. The ride is classic Citroën, soft, bouncy, and uniquely smooth over rough roads. It's not fast, but it's fun, and it brings character back into driving. As for the price, Citroën is targeting the minimalist lifestyle crowd. The starting price is expected to be around 16,500 euros in Europe, which makes it one of the most affordable EVs on the market. That's not just nostalgia, that's smart, practical design for a new generation. If you're someone who wants simplicity, style, and a bit of soul in your drive, the 2026 2CV might just be your perfect daily car. Thanks for watching Auto Drive Show. Don't forget to comment your thoughts on this retro reboot, and subscribe for more real-world car reviews. We'll see you on the next drive.